Hi, my name is Jim Harmon, and I'm the director of the Regional 3D Design Center here at Keystone College. And this is our introductory video offering for enablingthefuture.com. And I'm sitting in our Regional 3D Design Printing Center itself with our 3D printers or additive manufacturing devices. And this project, when I found out about it through enablingthefuture.com, I think I saw it on Facebook or something, got me really excited because I thought that I could do some interdisciplinary work between different students in the school. And so I contacted the science professor, Vicki Stanovich, and she was also very excited about doing this. And she sent over a couple of students, and I formed a team, our prosthetic team. And it's two science students who you'll hear from, and my assistant, who's an art student here, TylerSiddhartha. And we're going to show you the hand that we made. It's the Phoenix version 2 hand. And that will enable us to get a couple of badges and be introduced into the Enabling the Future Society, which is an international organization providing prosthetics for kids, mostly hand prosthetics for kids. Jacqueline Chavez and Erica Schweier are the two science students who you'll meet. And TylerSiddhartha, who I mentioned before, is my assistant here in the lab. He's actually been my assistant for 3 years here now, and he did most of the technical work on this project.
Hi, my name's Erica Schweier, and I'm a sophomore here at Keystone College. I'm a wildlife biology major, and I joined this project because 3D printing is being used in many aspects of African wildlife conservation, from combating poaching to saving the coral reefs. While the center has been a marvelous help in educating our students and preparing them for careers in 3D printing, our goal has always been to benefit local residents and businesses as well. Keystone is proud to partner with Enabling the Future Global 3D Printing Network and its Give the World a Helping Hand program to produce this upper limb assistive device to use as our example. We can use this example to make prosthetics for use by a member of our own community right here in northeastern Pennsylvania. Of course, creating a 3D hand was a lot of work, and we were thrilled to have the assistance of Enabling the Future to help show us the way. Jim also received a grant from Keystone to pay for materials and parts.
Hi, my name is TylerSiddhartha. I'm a third-year visual arts major here at Keystone College. I've been working with James Harmon here in the KC3D lab the entire time, and we decided to work on the Enable project in order to help those in our community who may be more in need of a prosthetic limb. This is the Phoenix Hand V2. Just printed with no modifications as of right now. This was all printed using FDM on the Stratus U print in ABS plastic, with the exception of all of the extra hardware with the kit that we purchased from Enable themselves. Alright, now we're going to demonstrate our Phoenix Hand V2 that we printed out. This is actually the second one we did. The first one did not come out at a standard that we were happy with. This was printed in whole on the U-print right here. To proceed with the demonstration of the Phoenix hand that we've printed out here, the first thing to note is the print quality. If you look here, it has a very grainy texture, a lot like a wood grain, particular on the back of the hand, which could be said to enhance the aesthetics if you'd like. So the way any version of the Phoenix hand is meant to operate is when you flex the wrist, all of the fingers and the thumb will come in a grasping motion so that you can grasp various objects. It's also good for a handshake if, for example, this replaces someone's dominant hand. That would be great for that. The main innovation of this design, version 2, is that when one of the fingers or the thumb is blocked, the rest of the design can still move. And even if multiple fingers are blocked, such as this, it'll still go. Another feature, which is in the original as well, is on the back here, we have these screws that can be tightened if these strings, which control the fingers, would happen to come loose. On the bottom here, we have, from the hardware kit, we have added these Velcro straps in order to secure it on someone's arm. And we also have this foam backing both inside the gauntlet and inside the hand in order to provide a little bit of extra comfort. The last thing to mention is that on the fingers are these rubber grips just to enhance the gripping power when it comes time to actually hold objects.
Hi, my name is Jacqueline Chavez and I'm a sophomore here at Keystone College. I'm in the pre-veterinary program here and I'm interested in joining this program or this project because I wanted to learn more about prosthetics and apply it to the veterinary aspect afterwards and to my future career. At Keystone College, service to our community is more than something we say, it's something we do every day. That's why Keystone students spend over 26,000 hours every year helping in senior centers, cleaning up parks, and helping children in need, among many other activities. So when we had the chance to put our new additive manufacturing / 3D printing center to good use by helping others, we jumped at the chance. Located in Brooks Hall, Keystone's Regional Center for Excellence in 3D Design was created in 2014 with the financial assistance from the Pennsylvania Department of Community and Economic Development.